Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 cannot add account in mail and calendar app without with error code. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows. Go to your apps, click on apps and features, and in the search box type on mail, click on mail and calendar in these three dots. Go to your advanced option, scroll down, click on repair. After that, click on reset. After that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that going to your settings of your Windows, go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters. After doing this step, scroll down and run the Windows Store apps. Click on run. After that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that going to your settings of your Windows, go to your apps, click on apps and features. In the search box, type a mail, click on these three dots, click on uninstall, click on uninstall it. After that, close it. Restart your computer. After restarting your computer, go to your Microsoft Store. After that, search a mail and calendar. Click on get and install in your PC. After getting that, it's required of a few minutes to complete this process. After completing that, I hope your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.